Hey there, JC here from the JourneyCARE team. Let's talk about some powerful functionality that's included in your account, which can save your organization time while also up-leveling your administrative processes. The Documents and Contract feature isn't something that is normally set up with an initial JourneyCARE migration, so the feature is a bit of a hidden gem. You can use it to create things like speaker agreements, exhibitor contracts, sponsorship commitments, program participation agreements, and more. This feature goes beyond having just a regular form with a signature element, and it's intended for those situations when you need something a bit more formal, especially for those times when there's invoicing or a payment schedule that is associated. The signable documents you create in JourneyCARE are completely customizable. You can include any details of the arrangement in a clear, structured way, and then the people who need to sign can do so electronically, right from their computer. Everyone instantly gets a copy of the signed document without any additional action needed. This is a sharp contrast to what is usually necessary when someone needs to download a file, physically sign it with an ink pen, and then scan the signed version to ultimately email it back. What JourneyCARE provides is more convenient for you and many less steps for the person who has to sign. To get started on creating your contract, go to the Payments area in the left navigation and then Contracts in the top navigation. Click the blue New button at the top right. The new document will open as a completely blank canvas. Click the plus sign icon at the top left to see elements that you can add. Drag items over onto the canvas. Once you get an item onto the document, you can click on it and a panel opens on the right side for you to modify its properties. So for example, with an image element, you can choose the image, set its alignment, choose what size it should be, and what amount of space there should be around it. If you need multiple pages, click the plus sign at the bottom of a page to add another blank one. To add any required payments to the agreement, you will use the product list element. Drag it onto the canvas, then click Add an item to choose each thing that should be included on the agreement. Click the Payment Settings icon to choose exactly how the payments need to be made. Direct payment means that someone is taken to the payment page immediately after signing. Enable Sending Invoice means that they will receive an invoice via email immediately after signing. Enable Auto Payment means that, if there are multiple payments involved in this agreement, those will be automatically billed to the credit card that is used when the first payment is made. When all of the content of your agreement is ready, you'll add signature fields. Just drag the signature element onto the canvas where you'd like the signatures to appear. Note that you can include multiple signers as needed. In the right panel, you can add which signers should appear in each spot. If you want to add specific signers to this agreement, you can add them by clicking the recipient's icon at the top left. However, if you're going to be using this contract as more of a template for multiple signing situations, you don't have to specify the signers. If your contract is ready to go, you'll have a few options. You can click the three little dots near the Save and Send buttons to convert it to a template. You can add an expiration date if there is a deadline by which someone needs to sign. Or you can download a PDF to preview. You can also simply click Send and the contract will be sent to the signers. If your contract is intended to be the same for everyone who is going to sign, convert it first to a template, and that will reveal a new option to publish. Publishing the template provides a link which you can give to anyone who needs to sign. I'll leave you with just one final note on contracts. Before sending out your first contracts, be sure to visit the Settings area to customize the email notifications so that they have your organization's preferred look and feel instead of using the default emails. As always, if you have any questions as you're working through setting up your contract, just reach out. Our team is here to help.